So now that the pads are done, it is time to put in the modular. So this is the finished product of this modular put in. We have no utilities or anything run yet. That'll be in another video. This takes about a day or two to get from starting with the pad to getting the modular moved in. So this modular came in two pieces. They came in on these special trucks. They will have, you see in the back end right here, they will have multiple axles that they'll use to tow it because they tow these things just like trailers. And so they're pretty easy to move. Once the trucks dropped them off, they actually used a skid steer to maneuver these modulars to be in the right place. So they actually connect right down there. And this is on both of these frames. So they'll come in, it'll be in two separate pieces. They'll go ahead and position them where they need to be. Then they'll go ahead and put these blocks in and shims to get this level. Then they'll go ahead and remove the axles in the end. And then they'll still be in two separate parts. And so once it's maneuvered, everything's good to go, then they'll zip it up. So if you take a look in this back side right here, you'll see this piece of trim. So this piece of trim is where they zipped it up. And so the two pieces come in right here. They'll come in, add the supports, put it together as one unit, add the ridge shingle up there, and then back here they'll put this trim to close everything up to make a nice finished product. So it's a pretty straightforward job, nothing too crazy. Can get done in a couple days, and obviously without any issues. So it is all ready for utilities and plumbing, and we will go ahead and add videos of that. And then once all that's done, we'll do the interior walkthrough and show you guys how it works. So it's, like I said, pretty straightforward process, and you got yourself a new modular home.